Understanding dependency updates.
Keeping software dependencies updated is essential for security and stability. However, updating everything at once can sometimes introduce bugs or break your project. Knowing the right way to update dependencies helps you avoid unexpected issues and keeps your code base healthy and secure.
Common package managers explained.
Package managers like NPM, Yarn, pip, and Composer help manage project dependencies. Each has commands to update all dependencies at once. However, their default behaviors may vary. Some update to the latest allowed version, while others require extra steps for full upgrades. Always check your package manager's documentation for the safest update process.
Best practices before updating.
Before updating, back up your project and commit your current code. Make sure to review your dependency files, like package.json or requirements.txt. It's also helpful to consult the changelog or release notes of major dependencies for breaking changes or important updates.
How to update safely.
Use your package manager's update command like npm update, piplist-outdated, or composer update. Avoid using force flags unless necessary. Prefer updating small groups of dependencies at a time and test your project after each update. This approach makes it easier to pinpoint issues if something breaks.
Testing and rolling back changes.
After updates, run your project's tests, if available. Check that your software still builds and behaves as expected. If you encounter issues, use version control to roll back to a stable state. Remember, updating dependencies is safest when done regularly, not just when problems appear.